Today I'm just testing the iPhone 12 Plus Pro. It's new. I just got it all the way, my man. Down. You can't be blowing accounts while John Ghatti is around, my friend. How? You see, you love poverty. It's time now you start a iPhone 12 Pro Max in the box from China. In the box in China. Hi, Look, power of chelete, power of money. One thing they didn't tell you is that money can buy you happiness. If you don't know, now you know. So make sure that with anything that you do, why the open tooth? What's that? Why is this? What is this one talking about? So we might give away one phone because they are many now. We can't deal here, you know. So you see, we have for this one, iPhone 12, 11. It must go, and we have got this one. This one I hate. It's a Pro. What do you call this thing? Samsung. I don't know what is it. Then we have got this one. Then we have got the Lava Boy. Ish, guys. Guys, the apples. This is the most. We are not bragging. We're just telling these ones. Unfortunately, if they didn't tell you, these are the expensive ones. 5,000 rand. You see these ones? Those are not the ones. These are the ones, you see. So now I'm becoming a pro. Look how I look. Glowing one way. It's not me, it's the phone. It's not me, it's the phone. It's me here. Talk to me. Which one should we give away? Should we give away the Samsung, or should we give away the iPhone? I know. It's very nice. Kumnande kaya. It's Black Friday. People will be running up and down, but they can't find an iPhone 12 Plus Pro. We have to export it all the way from States. We have to export it, 42,000 rand all the way, 512 GB, So yeah, my other phones are not working. I'm still fixing the network. But anyway, with anything that you do, my friend, make sure that you bless yourself. As much as the fact that you are working this hard, it's because you want to live the soft life. So people have been saying, some people have got snakes, some people have got this, some people have got that, some people have got this. My guy, it's not me, it's the phone. But look at this, né? So if I'm gonna turn off the what do you call it, the comment, so that I can explain this, right? So let's pretend they say you have got a snake, right? Then you decide to flourish amongst your friends. But what is it that you have sacrificed that others cannot sacrifice for you to get what you have? So guys, you need to work hard, and trust me, if you're not going to remove that mentality, you will say that until now it gets to a point where now you're on auction. They'll give me a letter. They say, John, hey, don't you want the worker? I said, no, I don't want the worker. What's the problem? They say, hey, there's another gentleman, or there's another gentle lady that side. Hey, she needs financial deliverance, So guys, as much as now it's Black Friday, people are going to bless themselves. They're gonna buy whatever everything, but it's good to do that. But at least, my man, you must make money. It doesn't matter whatever you're doing, but find something and make money for yourself. Empower yourself. I mean, all these nice things. That's why we work this hard. You don't know, I sleep at 2 every day. I sleep at 2, but you won't know, and no one is forcing me and no one is pushing me. It's because I love what I'm doing, and wherever there's hard work, trust me, nice things are going to come about. You know what I'm saying? So that's why sometimes when you do something, don't look at other people. Become your own competition. So you always look at yourself to say, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this. Trust me, you won't realize that you are far. You have done so much in a way that you didn't even believe now you're this far. But if now you do something because you're looking at someone, you don't know. You sleep at 8, I sleep at 2. How would we be the same? We'll never be the same. So it's very important that whenever you do something, have a motivation. You know why people don't quit school? Have you ever asked yourself, someone has been doing a course for 3 years, but they finished it in 6 years. But why didn't they quit? You know why? It's because it's proven that when you go to school, you won't really be rich, but you'll be someone, you'll be someone within the community. So that's why people get to do school and continue going to school. So, but it's not proven now. But where I come from now, it's proven that if now you do Forex, you can be successful and you can become like me because of me, right? So even when a kid within where I come from in the village could say, I want to do Forex, they'll say, okay, it's fine, because there's John. He comes from 1, 2, 3. So it means if you do this thing, Africa, I'm the man. Doesn't matter. If you talk about downloading dollars in Africa, the name that has to come first, it's John Ghatti. And trust me, we've been doing it for quite some time, and we're still going to, and very soon we're bringing Cobra, PWR Cobra. Yeah, you have been looking for a snake, so now I'm bringing snake to you digitally. I'm bringing Cobra very soon. I'm bringing Cobra, my friend. Trust me, your 2021 won't be the same anymore. I'm bringing Cobra. I tell you, I'm bringing Cobra. In 2021, I'm bringing Cobra. So people have been saying they want snakes. In 2020, I'll be having that. So everyone make sure that you order it on time. It's time now we sanitize everything we see, my friend. So it's good. I just wanted to test my iPhone Plus. iPhone 12 Plus. It's very nice. It's a nice phone. Actually, it's very, very nice. Very, very nice. So very soon we're bringing PWR Nasdaq Cobra. Show me some love and give us a Cobra emoji right there. Very soon we're bringing Cobra. Show us some love and give us some Cobra emojis. Guys, I'm using a new iPhone. You don't have it. No one has. Your friends don't have it. I'm only the one that you know. To be honest, so don't be jealous, man. Congratulate me. I'm using an iPhone. Not everyone has that kind of phone. You see, Dave. I'll call you now. Sure. So we're bringing touch bands. I'll sort you out. Touch bands. Just leave your password and your ID there. I'll sort it out for you. So it's time. 2021. Everyone is going to have Cobra. I'm telling you, we are bringing out Cobra. PWR Cobra is coming out. I'm telling you, the way we're going to sanitize poverty is going to be personal. It's going to be personal in a way that you won't understand what's going on. I tell you, in 2021, my friend, you're going to have your own digital snake. Financial one. Not the poverty one, the financial one. Now it's time to promote things that makes people money. It doesn't matter. Even when they say that, now you have it. So if now they say that you have snake, you tell them, yes, I have got Cobra. Given by the one and only CEO, John Ghatti. Guys. so now you know. Now you know. Now you understand what I'm talking about. So now you have an idea now. So 2021 won't be the same anymore. Don't worry. Very soon we're supposed to do meet and greet. I don't know, we're going to choose a place, we're going to do meet and greet. We fill the place, you come and see me just for one day. You don't have to be there, just to come and chill with me. Yeah, congratulations. I'm the first Forex trader in Africa to have what do you call it? iPhone 12 Plus Pro. So I'm opening, I'm making being aware that Forex is the way to go. You are going to do anything that you want, my friend. Trust in me. It's the way to go. You need to congratulate the brother. You see, I'm opening gates, I'm breaking boundaries, I'm breaking curses. You see, you know what I'm saying? So it's that time. So very soon we might do meet and greet. So make sure that when we post that, you come and see us. You know, I'm telling you, next year each and everyone will be having a snake, Cobra. I'm giving away Cobra. By 2021, everyone will be having a financial snake, Cobra. PWR Nasdaq Cobra 1.0. Oh, there we're sanitizing everything. Touch and touch, touch and touch. I tell you. So we're going to choose a place. We're going to do meet and greet. So you are invited. There'll be free shots, free food. You know, you're not going to pay anything. It's going to be free. We're just going to invite people. We invite. You'll be invited. The only way you're going to get this is going to be tricky. Everyone who's going to have Cobra next year, you'll be invited. You'll have a special invitation, my friend. Come nicely, wearing your suit that you wore when you went to metric dance. It's that time now. You haven't been wearing a suit. You didn't wear a suit this year. Don't lie to yourself. Don't lie to me. We all know. When now you were just at home. So when we invite you, when now we give out, when we give a presentation for people, what I want to do is I want to how can I put this? I want to empower people. We are already empowering people. We are not forcing anyone. It's clear that we are killing poverty. You can see when it's quite clear. Look how clear your boss looks. Looks how CEO. You see the power of what? The power of Peter. The power of iPhone 12 Plus Pro. They say money cannot buy happiness. Let me tell you from this distance, money can buy you happiness. Look how happy I am right now. I'm using an iPhone. You have never seen it. I'm having it. So let's work tomorrow. We were trading the past today. We didn't trade Nasdaq, but we were sanitizing VIX 75. We made money through that one. Hey, guys, let me go. I need to do some other things. I'll see you soon. Let's meet soon. Let's go. I'll see you soon. It's time now to work. So Cobra Snake 1.0, it's coming out 2021, my friend. Immediately when it's the 20th of January, you're saying goodbye to her. I'll see you guys. Bye. Cheers.